Hello everybody, welcome back to Hard Reset channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to assign customers to dealers in Schedule 1. So first, open up your phone and go to the Dealers tab. As you guys can see here, we can see their cash, inventory, and how many percent of a cut they take. So how to assign them? Let me quickly delete someone, and as you guys can see here, we will have a plus button with saying assign a customer. So first we need to assign one, and here we can complete lists. As you guys can see, I have 8 out of 8 on every single dealer, and this is how you can easily do that. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.